kwa baba kita unsa busumi mu ameka se sa busumi ube hunu nyame nsa hunu nyame tumi hunu nyame ni munyam bompa se ehuntu na mframa bo na mepututu mpo kokupu mpo a wodi mensuro wate fi Awurade beka ho na ba ne poma ebe chiche ore Awurade be ma na bofo abo ho nsraban hia ne ba bia nipa tempenten kwa tie so na omutwa adwadwo no Awurade Nyankopɔn de ogie kese ebebrew bosumi obehunu nyame nsa obehunu nyame abasa na adanse ebe ye ochefa na ono fie be simu ye se ne asimu kra ye no okristo Yesu dimu eni apo
mato yam ene eye Wednesday na unim se Sompa delight so there eye customer excellence day, customer appreciation day. I mean, who appreciates somebody? Ene sada no ene eno nefa ho enti no yaba no na yaba ene so de ye wo bibi shonko edema o enra meti ho kakra ekire wo enti me ma wakọ aba pa frobi no bi su frobi na mun kan che mo ho se Abena Ruthy aginedwa on some delight na ye be delightable me me producer ya ready papa say nene ye the great show ebebro so nim say it is your best social entertainment program in the city. I you ready for your training na ye be na ebe ye butu leadership nie, financial management nie, service excellence nie, personal branding nie, ye de ni nyina we be kan be bo ni nyina bede nie de ama kutu na wo kwa no wa ye cheko wonim say ma be hia bibi a me de koto mi koto dwem anante and he's going to come on and ye nhene so be koso na wa frɛ client service line no na line no akɔhye he fa na me bond dini kra mbe client service line na wa register near the wo aka ho na so nim se Sompa de abrevia ye bro ne mapa Mama Minda Lexter Company Limited as the producers of Yas toothpaste ne Yas toothbrush say almost so yasne na Minda 3 butterfly school ase I say almost so yasne ejumekwe so yakama what to say wa bofra 3 months to 5 years obenya ntete pa both Ghana curriculum and a British curriculum no eho ene wasa wode ne ko inti bomodia na fa obako 3 butterflies inti ejumako yi ene ne aka nyina ye do mase ya hye dwedie na se ne no ye wo legend bi chese mitini dia na makoma atobiyem because otonyuma eto akoma so ingusira wom na watonyuma che waye nioma bebre ama chese impact a lot of us into ende no betinenka na me fa we ntwato na me nko producer ho na ne wo ho ne fa hyehye so ena meti asem de bi I on Sompa Rhapsody so say ye the photo bi esi ho ebeboa needy parents are omo children with disability meti anam say wow we Sompa so kwa na beti o enti ye ma me edika di bia to ma waka se adwuma fo nyina yeso ye fa bintu Abena Ruthy me de etum but say 100 and above ho producer enti Abena me 300 enti would tie me na se kan akoma ye pese ye boa needy parents omo autistic children and a person children with disability do na ya omo ntumi enhwe omo you know I mean minim se wutie Sompa Rhapsody enti wutie bebre ma erade enko akoma na foto no fa bibi betum ni enye we na ye nyamesom o we na ye nyamesom ti ye nyina ye de ye ho ba jim na koyi odi mo akwa
Obapa
bibi abako de
nyame adum
didie eni patapa
nyame onwe mobo se tetrama da bodwiem na mo jerry die funsa no yema na timi se odumfo no wadumi mama din se nyame asem edwen wa yenti ase
yenti ase so a yenwene ho ne yenwene ho die yentumi fa de aka de mehu se nde wo nkobo bi wo konkonsa kakra aish any beba anti adwa ye chia o all right auntie, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Any na bang bang all right auntie, vocab scholar, your word for today objectify. Mama spell OBJECTIFY. Objectify. Enti yenhwena yenfa meaning ne meti for tell na omun use mayen.
All right. Objectify. So no one was spelling.
Yeah.
It means to treat a person like a thing. To make an abstract idea concrete, or to focus only on someone's body instead of their feelings. Objectify.
Enti ebenya sentence bi ama etie for ana na ye ma omunti ase enti se wo treat obi to so onyo bia ubo bia bomfia yeah ubo bia bomfia and objectify so udi making ideas concrete, there's an example. Let's say an artist trying to paint their warm inner love into a visible picture. And also another aspect. And he said who treat you a bit to say onyobia and I say adia to me quantify to me and found canon no way to me a painty amana ye bibia will be to me and when any concrete ideas. So two things as an artist obi or draw dear to me and then who treat you be by heart objectify. So you can use it like that. All right. Okay.
And an example be I'll say it is degrading when media outlets objectify women by focusing solely on their looks.
Okay. So my to say omunye bia na just say omu physique nenkwa na mo strength bibisa objectify.
I felt like he was trying to objectify me as a trophy rather than get to know me more.
Okay. Any more and then okay, all right. And then I for yes, you see objectify word for today. All right, you go concern.
Any crane.
Area. Wait there. I tell you I'm going to you.
Okay.
Yo.
Enemy free. Me shall say free. Selassie Ibrahim.
Okay.
Ghana for Kai Selassie Ibrahim.
Oh, yeah, kind of.
Movie. Lady Kokobi Sana, near Dempa, Selassie Ibrahim. Now, Selassie erase issues be. However, comedian so a been in your dream.
Okay.
A be so many in your dream.
Okay.
A backlash in your day. Now, some of can say, sir, you see a portray, ye act, near portray Ghanaian culture. Now, so. Obehwe no na Ghana for act ye Ghana culture na pioni addresses in Nigeria for eno se sa ade ne bonjo so kra because say eba ne sa na akoye se ye contradict ye
yeah some ye kan na who push obi po ne de
who project Nigeria for de eno se da ono de neni anjo ho kra neni nje ho. I see you can tell your story, and whilst you are telling your story, it should be your culture in its entirety.
That's right.
Ghana and then see a pager, your man is sharing my mouth. Now, ye singing and I say drama, and I say acting. Now, your conscious Nigeria for Tari and your near conform culture, but makes here the abandon the confusion about. And Selassie Ibrahim say, a fabi and yeda yadi ye edi na a fabi no ye project obi so de o si na ninje na no na a man for on the social media no bi mu say o wa ya de pa say odi saa nkomo yi odi aba bonti because eye bi so akoma so ade ane omo hwehwe say anka Ghana for be san every hu and obi say na wo ka sa kire no say wo free Ghana kotena Nigeria kakra afiansa wo be ka kire say Nigeria for nti eye nkomo dey cause but so who be some me in my single opinion no I think that is good.
Yeah.
Yes say yene sene yade ye etie no ye beda na di more ama afoforo so ayede ben ehu eno no from Selassie Ibrahim.
It's important she says that, and on the cross our conversation yeah or extending it to isuatra Ghana for say ye movies cry near portray e be American meanwhile America for omu no mu pay culture no no mu no mu enjoy because omu de no omu wo de da nti wu koye de na de akere omu na yo mu fe oso person de films e be co festivals na de na mostly nia a show yen culture na no na ye qualify for sa festivals na de no yen ye portray to say oh ye hia amanfo na nti no conversation there no say wu project wu culture it should be your own. Now I sell it because a man for our project almost so much sell it and talking about she going to be there. And the say and country you and Kofuko Hoko ye train no muko hoko nyasa or show bono no mudi ababe show mudi mukina into no enye you can so ye bona baso. Yeah, ye bona baso. Keep conversation. Ye bona baso.
Now I feel so my next story. In fact, we many ajipa in the sense that say me who say obi for super so upgrading him onya nimdie and okoskua aya sa afọ no me show mun kran na me ni je ho pa say me hu saade no na yemfa ensembo emma Bella Samoa.
Okay.
Ono so acting movie and I said the movie actors no so pa Bella Samoa.
Okay.
Me no ka say Bella Samoa etumi enya professional executive master in alternative dispute resolution.
ADR, okay.
Yes. From Institute of Paralegal Training and Leadership Studies. IPLS. Enti etie for say dia me bobo so yi e kire say ye nua bema Bella Samoa sini training a enim no acte anase wetwa sini bebre e wo man mu no e na wo hwe ni sini so a Bella Samoa is serious or serious.
Yeah.
Obu akra na wo ti anye yiye na ukoye Bella Samoa yere ya ondo ompe wasema e na asema to na ukopie so say wo no do so dia e na wo na oboa so ye nua be ma Bella Samoa impe bebre na ya manfo say wo acting movie na onye ska na che say no movie actors there especially Kumewood in quote
yeah say hono
ebi no nya now so the narrative is changing.
Which is good.
Which is good. Enti yenwa be ma Bella Samoa e fa bi no me kire ma chete for e fa bi no wakoye se judge. Wakoye obi osiesi asem. Enti ebi won ma so court a. Court an kasa court enim se court. Court na se asem no ye di asem na judge ni timi refer mo ma ADR. Ohwe asem we betimi siesi. Nti no refer wama edi akoko to mo office support nti afanu mienu no ekọ edi an nchen na oni omo wetie we asem na afi wakensi ni na odi ne futu ama de be asumdue be ba ne ade se ebi mutie ema edi asumdue ba se we ntia na chese sense an so refer to kokọ na chese hard time ne be to aso nti eno ho adesua ena yenwa be ma Bill Asamoa yenwa pani ene ye wofa ye papa e bibia wakwa akoko sua ade a wenya ho abodin me ne ka se nya abodin nko a se na de sua ni mu no nyae afi nso wasanso aye ambassador ama IPLS
okay
aye Institute of Paralegal Training and Leadership Studies
okay
oya ambassador ema ogire oya nemsini ema sa sua pon na mebo na baso pa na neni so ade hunu se na obetimi ama asumdue aba all the time apeso promote peace enu nti ena eba nti ya mo nsema
yeah bonsam
last time wa ya ade
ene na yempre ne
na ye nam sa kwen so ebo wohwa in fact in quote celebrities and as encrofo anima mu your media mu omo movie creative arts mu ni ade wohwa America crane bebe na eco school pa a friend say Van Vick say wakonya first class in law wakoya law nya first class na a friend say yenua oketechi so ono so a graduate from game pani ade
I see
na enumu no na me science ko pie so say ye papa chief of staff
oh yeah
me no ka say University of Ghana so wakonya PhD
yeah
na PhD no onya o museum any heritage studies na me ye ho eyi kakra no eye ade a ye say ewo a friend say na no presidency and as a last staff ho na no eye ade a o pushi agenda o pushi ewo ho e na afei wenya esa san kwashi nti wase da kwako nti say ano oye doctor nti doctor Julius Debra.
Ma me ka bibi kakra ncho. The reason na obeto sa line we no.
Okay.
Papa me papa bi name ne papa fiti I mean answer no obeye obekọ amanyo semu no aha. Odi na no ye engaged in tourism.
Wow.
Aye. No ye engaged in tourism inti na otumi de nkofo eba or collaborations are omo baga na omo call forts and castles no okay. So that's why his interest is there.
Wow.
You know.
Wow.
Background information. I know people know it.
Wow.
Yeah, but not everybody will know. Until
wow.
That said, his interest has been there. Until no pushy and until no wakwadro was museums ne. I mean keeping historical facts.
Nice
and
one.
working along those lines,
nice
no, quadru wo mupa into no, yebonabaso. It's a good thing.
Okay,
it's a good thing.
Abena, your passion could be the pointer to the problem you are created to solve.
That's right, very much so.
So our chief of staff is moved by his passion for it, and you say the practical aspect where odin kofo ba and as odi cheke or upgrading knowledge just to get more even at the level crampo
or that's so pursue
exactly enti sabio tisasa na belasa moane omom kekan wa ko school unye scanner no say you can't top up your knowledge you can't go to school unless of course one school no is not of much interest to you that's fine all right my next story another my baba adibia koso a me de sa akoso
okay
eye ye wofa akrobeto
okay
wofa
ye boni dia na osre
sa ye boni ye unati ofa din pe na osre ha ofa akrobeto mi teacher man pa wakwa akoko shia deputy minister for transport
okay
eye Docas honorable Docas afote afo tofe
okay yo
afo tofe na insiaye mu no akrobeto ni your friend say delegation bi na koy na insiaye mu no omukọ di road safety ho komo
okay
omukọ nya partnership for road safety se na be ya nkrato betimi akoso ya kwantempon ho ka na say akwantempon ho jumedie ni de bambo
na mi twi na ohwe mani webusa me ka
de bambo ebeba no enu ntina akrobeto
okay
any deputy minister for transport akwakoye sa meeting na
that's good
ade a say you push the agenda we the focus is to promote public education
okay
se na be ya obetre anase yebenya suahunu ewo ya kwantempon ho ensem sakoniaba ehunu enti eye akrobeto so ye nanim say oye very influential person wa holding himself in terms of credibility in the movie industry in the entertainment industry enti ne dia waji na no opeso de sa influence no de beboa
Yeah, man, they need to keep your roast safe. Okay.
Nti upie fifia. I saw my wife gunya kotna kam ko kai say e ofie.
Nti no drive ya na wo ye bibia no ay careful.
Kai say e ofie.
I see.
Nti we na ye nkrato a.
Okay.
Me gidi say be kosoma akroba to do nim say na no duru dwem.
Oh yeah.
Yes, ni advert crampo oye no. Ni advert bia ni wa obeba bontina obi be ka say on kai. Saa so ni enim say a partnership here on Ministry for Transport eco in no me GD personally me GD pass so beba infaso bebre kwa enti ye boy papa na baso na se ni kwan so say ono so mbo modern na onye ejumaso enfama on my Ghana.
Nice. Yeah man, I call so
one me an open more.
Oh, wait me the back aka ho.
Mama fa back
pay me so.
Ye name say yes Beverly.
Okay.
Afaglo. America create Ghana yanti asem de. Abe ho kakra eto yen. Prayer group no.
Yeah.
Kwa master. Ni hu keni no. Na kwa master free amanone aba just ntotoye for eye ni ade na esu bi a akọ ekoso airport nra no ama priority na no so wo bi a na o kire se o hwe Beverly mfan se creative arts ni no ana mo mi yisini no Beverly na first person a oni be close. Even that time now mo sha say omo fefe bag akra
okay.
Because na that time no na Beverly odeti kwa master.
Okay.
Inti na prior group no mo na tifie ba akum. Inti aya okoho ekosa ne boyfriend then. Inti enam so emo mu na be ye na na omo ni di sa hia no. Omo say oba no ye oba papa ansa na crampansa omunua no ebe ware kwa master be ware na all this one no na priority can say one shut down to say omu nua no yere no yare sa to the extent say edi owuo na ebre no omunim say a lively person when they talk to her omunim say a lively person near the but no omunim say bibi say shewa edi owuo mpofuru no wuo basa na priority akire yawa odiwo ababa wani wua we wo hu no omahye omu na omu kran omu hwe se bibia ebeto edi enti anti Abena
na odi concern the base yo eyi no so omu ahye for next weekend
edaho
okay
nse one week ni mu no one week come celebrate here no ye call bait night
sa time
night you know
mo yira ko play honey ade
nti ko hu ya na one week ni kwa bafu say eye because amanfo mo pu ba ho no na nya asem ketwa nti no eye ni so
we share mo well erade emo on so mo akoma mu ni ade bia be fine
nkura ni pin
it is well. All right, it's here for Yanko Facebook Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Caps na yankoshe nia ekoso nyina. In fact yi stories are producer de be na no channel megua fine nti Mr. Obomode alcohol na sabe ka say den komo bi wo ho a hwampa che say you don't want to miss it nti no hook on na frobi no be frobi abra be ma producer prepare customer service tip abra say and then no your customer service training day o nti me training e famre chire o ho na ye de ba en fact tip
unse last na me catch you say eye yeti phone e person mu nya mane bros into customer service day but we will still bring it.
Me pass Fabra.
We still bring it.
Fabra na your facility because yes baby.
Okay. Yes, learn from mistakes.
Okay.
Learn from mistakes.
They're straightforward.
Yes. Assembly be koso. Ebi our staff be ana wan kasa. Mentime control ni temper ye. Emma customer bia oto bibia anko ye no de buy no. Ufoni ade. ekoso yesi bibi sa esi ewie na bibi adwe ewie no we ni panti we den abes aha echia aha echia nti esi sua free chia echia ye no ana sua free nia esi ye no se na be a next time ensi biom na afi nso benya akwanya wo de be improve o services ana whatever what you say aha nti no eno na ye pese etiefo ehu normally no so ye ejuma uye ejuma na say mistakes ebem omo a woni omo die inkita hodie a mistakes ni buy no omo nche na scan free ba nti se osua free se na be ya ube secure any avenue wa ede oha ne amane be ba ebema osika sem ana ejuma no afa bebi no enkoso a ede eka beba nti yesi sua ade free infumso bi a ebeba ho Bible krapa ka say obi a onsesa na adwen no na kire say ase kwase na onsesa na adwen nti osesa wa adwen a na free de emwa ho a ebema ejuma no etupo
okay
fa so beba
why are there Odiva kupe
international
your boss mama enti yedase for concern for customer service tip I will go so meaning say training so the tebia why are ready say omo ba in person no why are ready say what the be mo be bono bede na dia so me say o me coffee no mo aye check o
we kwa nhwe omo be ka so mo coffee abi omo da ha
I see 18 no training in the Mr. Bobodia na Sunday we I am interested
ebi Sunday omo interest ni ade nti oma ye hu
Mombra and na me catch up so say omo Friday no I mean obia qualify so we'll get in touch with almost so that I mean we per se don't come where the waka ho 10 ya hye ni nyina na ye kama enti number we na ube send I am interested to know 0531 886 216 0531 886 216 client service number enti bomodiana send I'm interested na I mean this thing me say oba ba ko abeka say obesaba saba na face so aha foto na me kan ho asem a ye kan ho ye ma me introduce ya na pay wo some parapsodies no me show bomodia say ube ye ready say ube contribute to it because me gidi say ebebo na ye nyina ebenya ho nhira odi number de betudwa oho because my information in the number okay. Was almost sending in the interim because later ebema
number kasa enti number obetimi so pese obua sa mobrofu a ye ka mo asem ya ene o de befa 0249 647 200 0249 647 200 Pachoma Mrs. Subium
0249
647 200.
Okay.
Apambeka Trust say 0249
64
72 00 0249 64 72
00
Edia ebeba so Jeremiah Simpson. Edia ebeba so Jeremiah Simpson.
Okay.
Pacho yanka se free you say send this car.
Say we I mean e kan akoma say obeboa parents a won kora with
disability. This one no free say number na ebeba.
Okay. You with disability.
Me hu say bi mu krapo hwe say ebeba nti me hu say mo hwe say ebeba.
Okay.
Nti aba
number de no who Jeremiah Simpson na onim say no aye so parapsody fund na ye ka ho asem no aye dey boa parents a omo children with disability or omo children with autism I am more ding
yetie for ya dey pa because you amanfo tie ye me number no 2 dwa pe ma start try say no my idea
it's for a good cause. My sister pay because and I'm saying but I'm missing me there already eba because in Shirade I was a with GB you never know, it will speak for you.
A man for NTS say adere amuye media metom for say o send ya tie to something nyame Nyankopon di esia na hwe de nyame be
sa
me di disabled children echi me di mobrofo echi abom 12 years ni I've never regretted into person hunu bia uhunu asa dance dey bia o de oni yenko nakrana me isu atiako etwi oni yenko nakrana na hwe de nyame be no. Mama and Alexa Company Limited as the producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. I'll say, for hygienic, healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Now, products when you be your market, baby. Just say, who direct you or shop there or no will be. Ain't the map being powerful. Aye. Ain't it? But what the ass open your Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Now, dear true, Siama will say, ISS Richie. Ahoma. Telephone our best friend wa cry 050 161 9588 050 161 9588 na Kumasi so wa friend 050 139 0338 Kumasi 050 139 0338 3 Butterfly School Auntie Akubeka, Kevium, 3 Butterfly School. 3 Butterfly School. Omo a British energy years curriculum. Na so we be the 3 months to 5 years. And I'll be to me. Enyantitie pa intitia. Chese ma akrana junimu edo. Na onyini no jina ha uhunu sa akure. Chese ya tete no papa. Ema oye confident. Ewo ni a oye mu. Mr. Obomodi afa woba ekosa school way. Also, there are now onya extra activities to say swimming lessons, taekwondo, any ballet. Now parents will up the mamo. Sa up way no way to me attract ubano bibia air cost wo school nim. They say who no was smaju because we nim so akra no we didi akra ya bonnet diaper for ya yese ni na just say ama ahotoso eha e na obenya wo enti almost your summer school from 3rd to 31st August summer school in Tibomodiana Debia Mekano Kona Kososhe 8 Purple Street East Legon Ebe Melcom Hona na Bia no past 6:30 na Omapon and you 6:30 Omo contact ni Fana from 0556 094 071 0556 094 071. Na website near www.3butterfliesghana.com. Ubetumi send you mo email 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com. 3 Butterfly School or say we learn, play and grow. Emusia for ye ko try ho aba na ye ba hey enye easy enti bomode ana twe.
Local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese word na akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wo apro meko apro
pro jena pro garlic pro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi hagye asuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra hagye special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve hagye special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972115 eye 05947972115 for na would them middle
Edrano pa wutimi to boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se me yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwimesima minya homka senti na ye bokoyi na me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfimfem me biem na wonhwasa mesi ayefita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se efe na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, and Crotrodo. Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, and Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and the brush. I was young chamfa.
Sawo pedudu tu e won kan ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and the brush abejaso abeboa. Mummies and daddies, do you know that education plays an important role in the development of your child? That is why you cannot settle for less. Introducing 3 Butterflies School. Say after me, 3 Butterflies School. 3 Butterflies School provide a safe, inclusive and stimulating environment where children learn through play. We foster a nurturing world where every child feels secure to play, bold to explore, and confident to express their unique voice. 3 Butterfly School is waiting to welcome your 3-month-old baby to 5-year-old child for a wonderful experience as they learn through play. We offer British and GES curriculum, and we have other extracurriculum activities like swimming lessons, taekwondo, ballet, and all the activities you can think about. Parents have access to an app called EYLOG that you can use to monitor every activity of your child so that you can know your child's development. Remember, the opening time is 6:30 a.m. and the closing time is 6:30 p.m. Wow, this is amazing. 3 Butterfly School can be located at East Legon, 8 Popo Street. Connect with us on 055-609-4071. Our website is www.3butterfliesghana.com. Email 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com. 3 Butterflies School. We learn, play, and grow.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di for wastrano ewiye brim and am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya won wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some Sompa Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Bra osro ni asasi hia. Bro onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda dwada kusi efiada anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsia fa woda ni nyina share radensa na erade beye.
say we are fine. Enche. Na for enyum we pa senia eboa nipa sometime bi no ho. Enyum to ankasa na no. Eyedro. Like enyum to enyum eyedro. Eyedro. Senti na enyum ye honhom no. Because sometimes you could be going through some circumstances utinyum bia na shift to efi negativity mu aba o positive state. And I mean nyum ye twagwe ye maame Amy Newman, the gorgeous, and a boy. I mean, and then on one I are celebrating. As somebody himself Wednesdays, dear. I had here celebrating for Tieneno celebration. They on the side now. Me was surprised with my wintino. You go so a neighbor, and I make a new me. At a point in time, it just came through for me because when Jaya ma eradia, oh. Ukombebu ukomubu no abemusubu. And to learn to leave everything to God. Never bebre wo ho a wuntumi nye ho hwe. E wo se bu jama erade. Mama emi nyame hwa.
Sompa FM. Ya boy, ya bash.
O say ya bo ya ba ya ba ni abe de ende na me fa a birthday in Chemu. I enti o say happy birthday to Hamdia of Obuase from your husband Malik Maija and Mr. Work. I hope say me names ne correctly. Oh, beautiful lady. Ya did not to Facebook ebusia yankore na udu ho a Mr. Like na comment na share because we share no be so nya nhira na wunya wa ha ni bi. Enti Hamdia of Obuase. This is from your husband Malik Maija and Mr. Walk. Na ye nyina so I was some delight. So yes, say happy birthday, sweet lady. Aha. Na me sweetheart beat you, otie, or your gospel musician, papa, or say CEO for Kesco Park. Your friend no Kesua Kese. Na press before the omo darling na no. Say Kesua ni na ACP Kofi Saponi na Ernest susu ni say omu pia omu echi me yefe. Any anyum to for wo sorry mu ni ade. Inti no Kese. Me ma o good afternoon. Enjoy. O say abna meet you. Enti matime da se papa. Mr. Oko Facebook na ko like na share. Odi set me Rhapsody fan no ma send we hu ana. Soon. Kose me Rhapsody fan na edem. Okay.
Correct. Nyame nhyira.
Amen. Me nhyira ne de ye peno gojo enti no bibia enim say eye fertile de grounds are enim say fertile de ye so
ye repeat so ewie mi so de
wa send it out. Nyame nhyira bia o ma nyame nhyira bia na unim said de tie bia no ebeko into adwumadie na ya hye se ebekom na mo bie hu no fili gadochi
sa am resource
am bie hu nti no ye nkoso ane ye send odi nti abra ye hwe you know ye hwe ye mama anyway for customer service in Komoka Krambra. So you see, I mean, we've done a couple of things over the weeks, and I watched there and so come into Tibia. We to me bro kakreni so answer na yenfa enchen.
All right, me that's it. Kakra me reside you and as a major so I think the last week 10 principles of exceptional customer service. Na niti etwema say you didn't kind di hu komo say you pese you dealing with customer complaints and then say you offer and I say you to me ma your customer service na ye ma no and I say ni your customers nya nkita hodi no say it me money change so exceptional and no any betimi abre customer complaints ase na say ubetimi aye exceptional and ubetimi aye o customers nkita hodi ubetimi amana broso a na kire say complaints bi aba a etwem na wasum so mu no na what turn sa complaints to be opportunities nti afi customer no the obeka one asem na say the na odi hu ya no afi onhu ade ni biom
yeah just what solve ya there no
my main example be there was a time me former company they deliver to Microphone na omo de ade no kono I think that there was this particular lady na title ade pa nti say omo friend no de bia say location when aya na she get bored ana e bored no because of say o title ade wa mo tie deliver so why don't you mo confirm me
so and umwa minchwa no hu me ko shop bi mu na ya atem bia wo di dwawia no ma jo number de bia metaba motaji de bia susu me ya musa busa me number nti bia na wuke nti kire ye ne wo so mo ye
overdose nti no be get bored so I feel no complain amo friend one time now not doing if you don't bring it stop no Timio so I have me interest in dealing with difficult customers. My boss cry unko Jerry office unko na e pia ba. So when I received the na it's okay, give me the customer's number, me number no, and I'm a friend, so complaining, and I'm saying she should believe me. I'm going to solve this thing, and now it will never happen again. I'm solving it for her now, and I'm busy assaulting him, and I'm say okay, I'll come there. I'm coming there, and I'm feeling me 2 car, no down so man, no office no question man. So I drove, you see, I said comfort near Massey. Nipa no to ade pa. Will you let her go?
Debbie.
At least every week we have been orders by 3 and 2, 3 and every week.
Wow.
Week on week.
Wow. And your month per week.
Many
just a recurrent.
Yes, many kasa I pen am family kina we see mu call. Na me friend no o say o ho na me say okay na me call. Nti me ye do area ho no. Me friend for a particular house, me friend is ana number no on fa. I'm say okay. Then you call me who the picture so.
Okay.
And I'm start saying me describing it to area
more for no.
Very fair, like very nice lady nti eh there.
Obi best spot no.
Nti shop ya me ko je ni ma me bisa no so. Sister crown on native your apartment ni mbo akwenti. And sister so yenko.
Wow.
I check me the door.
Wow.
I check me the door na sister ni jam hoko. And I'm knock here.
Okay.
Kokoko. Opiepe. And I'm chia and I'm introducing me. This is Jeremiah from shop now. What? Did you call me? And I said, my friend several times.
Yeah.
And I said, oh, sorry.
I feel no more no be pacho.
I feel no be say, wow.
Yeah.
This is impressive.
Yeah.
You said you come here and you came. So how were you able to know?
No.
Maybe I'm a and I'm just so maybe son. So wow, that is intelligent. I feel no kasa. I feel no. No major no kasa.
I saw it.
And I'm saying my solve problem no. Okay. My solve. So I picked the GPS location.
From there no.
And I'm pick 3 buildings.
Okay.
I closer to maybe. And I'm pick on also the building. Me try picture. Try our pictures no. The right there's no more calling and I'm the 2 people. So from henceforth, if you are doing an order for
this particular person now, say
or a link to a very prominent person or country, and I'm saying if you are doing an order delivering to this particular location,
yeah.
Do you know that even when we folded the company up, oh, frame me for them, so you folded. So your customer service, why you know? Customer service. I feel so much confess. So it is an exceptional thing I did, which has brought an exceptional. Until on your year order pay the call center, no one talks to her. Then I'm order no my friend, very frowny power. Or your order no that need delay. Sir, order need delay. Now friends order no a delay.
Yeah.
Nti omu ntimi friend omu ma me friend so no matter how I check na koma be de ben
sa na tie
nti etiefo ye pese ye kire say when you offer exceptional customer service we limit customer complaints nti ya the 10 principles no egu dwem you see know your product or service listen more than you speak Esi hunu product na nasa ade ago ton no.
That's right.
Nya hunim de yie. Afia so yesi tie yie pa ansa wakasa. Ana yesi as I say uma customer na hu say how do na share ni shoes mu the all feeling no you also feel the same thing man. You show genuine empathy. And yesi communicate clearly. Uni nipa no kasa na etia no kan sa na nipa no enti ase yie. Because one communicate here unto us na there be the issues weba. And as a respond promptly. And last week, just one day ni do erase by a can wasem. I say keep your promises. So shabo ya diso no mu nyuni. This is na me catch your client say meba no aba be solve. Onji me di me solve no once for a man no.
No, we yero ho so ye.
Yeah, no. Good. I say personalize the experience. And on your car say customer be frail. Also no complain say they be a omuji udin.
No margin number.
Good. Enti sometimes only customer ni kasa phones and ask about shop. Oh, Auntie Abena akwa aba. Ti sese na ye etiefu yi omo mo free. Ebu on mama fresh auntie utimi ti voice say we ya. Do the do papa. Onya ka baby pe so say do the do. Good. Enti eno na ye kan wase.
I'm in channel because Friday man tinenka. Eno aso man tinenka. Enti do the do. I hope you are fine. Oh.
Is it solve problems quickly and I can respond promptly? No? Okay. Follow up. O solve issue be an as only customer be din kita odi and I say or to ade or anywhere. Sometimes I say o friend no I find it out say. The obeto en ejuma e course no na ni jimu bibia ya okay.
Okay.
Through that crampo no. Nipa na emi customer bibia nkoso yi a. Say wono what set the agenda na man no obetimi
obekasa on pekora because omu dey so ayo omu nkasa omu nka wen pro
bia omu nka kasa no time kakra
faba ko ka ho in fact fakakra ka ho
okay
but open I make a story way because similar to wo job at there now okay if I had a similar encounter during my banking days no
okay
na as a friend is saying a marketer there was say minya clients enti one of the days na ye ma ye list bi nti me pick ba ko bi wo mu na me ne kasa na me hu so ye potential nti o say me to me eyire me ho na me di na chi nti ne similar to asama working na me ne keke ya afi on chrem baby o wa na e bibie wo ho enti ye di nkomo no keka ye nti me pick landmarks be from nkomo na ye di ye nim na one time me see mu kiti and I me call and I me this landmark no e hwehwe ya na niti na me gina ne office anim na niti na me no say aba we ye dey na wo hunu ye because man can't show na me catch any so I be see me hu say oh potential you or you big fish for me into say me saka na me nya bia no so you loyal to another bank into no person obe free ho into asam baby America ko si no be hu the loyalty to the other bank ninti na no mpese obe reveal baby owo na ma be ha no because me pushi a onim say wo say otumi ma me business you no so nya willing so obe yi ne business ne fisa bank no based on customer service or receive e wo ho no what I say so loyalty asama wo ken say wo show customer so yi a o free wo akoba bi a na ye ne ya enti no ni ti a wa mu ane say eventually ono mo twen me cost a bank na no wo no what I say on my bank ni rabe pochi me because who say ma ho fama na me dey adwuma no ano ye den e no so a ontumi nka say on my business no jaine sa into no twen me say bank we me ni o ma ye adwuma omu boa me ni am hwehwe bia me nya internet ho customer service na che no to the extent that me and me what baby for no any omu bo package bede e mame e no mudi pia me free baby me wo no call sa na bank or into the customer service there wo ye ni ye a utumi nya customer loyalty I mo do
perfect asem ya working
atwi bibia ba
yes now won say wono say on sabeka customer no you go the extra mile
exactly
for you to get the customer ebia wejuma penyini krapo for wejuma na say manager nukrapo wona say krapo didn't know the extent at which I call but you wanted results.
Exactly.
In your quest to get that results, now what you or customer service initiative now take here, attaching obi, convincing obi not to bring business, but now to get you into a bigger picture.
That's right.
Nipa some person be lusu service. Iti mami baby am loyalty wono. Mami ntwi nwura ho. Send be I can enjoy your. You see what? So customer service, I always say, I'll continue. I discovered this 2017. Customer service is a way of
lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle. Because any nipa na edi akoniaba.
That's right.
Edi nkitahudie.
That's right.
If you don't build a strong customer service area, forget it.
Yeah, true. True.
Me America kra.
Fakakaka ho.
All right. Nti enano. Me person me close it up on the exceptional for ene.
Okay. All
right. So me person I call the 5 A's of excellent customer service.
Okay.
The 5 A's. A. Good.
A for apple.
A for apple. A for ama. All right. So
A for Akosia.
A for Akosia. A for Abena. The first A I person can say me availability.
Okay.
Yes, see. As I say, a kwan e wo ho a abibia customers ni pese omuni nya kita wodi a mo sabe kan.
Okay.
Ope excellent. Who person deliver excellent customer service there. Who person o change so there. Business na woman. Who person o change so a. Provision shop na woman. Who person o change so a. Bank na one. Who person o change so a. Laundry na we be no. Who person o change so a. Any. You say abribia customers pese omuni unya kita wodi no. Bosa akwan na o betimi enya. Betimi a phone. So free. E betimi a email. Ebetimi aye WhatsApp, Facebook, ebisu on ma, obetimi walk in to get access to you. Until you say be accessible when customers need assistance.
Okay.
The next A, attitude.
Okay. Is this our A when third and two?
Two.
Oh, okay.
First one availability.
No accessible so ba ho ntineja. Ama aye internet availability
to be accessible no say when you are available people can have access to you.
Sure na pesa beti ase that's it.
Attitude the boni because attitude
I try for so
attitude. Okay, so
attitude.
A positive attitude. Yeah, you know Africans Ghana attitude eno krapo emu odru. Attitude. A positive attitude creates a positive experience.
Okay.
Usuni oban. Ghana efobi a modern nyuma bia no especially omo a ya employ mo say damage man no mame no. Ubetofu wo no ofoso no mo no ye wadoye. Enti enim bia odi be hia no. Ebi wo no ma especially this is a typical example. She say wo to o shop mu. Na obi wa beto ade na ni buofu
so to shop ni na nipa ni sika
na that's the right thing I say you use enya so beto ade
o di sika
ni ebre o de ebre no wega ubuofu
ni wa bebre aba bitiri
nipa ndi sika ebre no buofu ono nanti o di sika na ebre no ni buofu yi o but mama buofu uni attitude papa
the attitude na say positive
I say positive
uni radical change be a banking industry 2006 abra Nigerian banks be Ghana no exceptional service na e side because not typical Ghanaian banks no mu de ye call according to nanse kwa adverts bi wo ho wo hwa obehu se ne natete ye no ni stambre se ne etie just say kono baako after the other wo ba no kra no wo twro na afa na nipa ne fa ledger book no aye se no afa no atwro no baako ne ade
no ate
amanfo i ba system no omu de che say de yenye se enye possible no eno na omu je nti for instance wo ka se ye to obi to the shop ma obi ba beto ade na buefu san ne ade no in the bank ni say no ye de omu de radical e bi ba ya say cash no de ba e chire kura na say ya wo de ba na say ya pon ye ma on sign fa nko nka tete de no omu de me an ye ma on sign fa ko ye be je si ho na ya stamp so subject to count enti e no liability no wo so because would buy na yan clear mo wen hu but what dia tum say yen fancy o ma because so pay safety into no the beba into no mo the changes I mean those changes ne buy ma e ma banking ye radical see ye hu na bank ye digital ne chale na that time na enti sakra into no ni na ye evolving customer service knowledge e buy
it's true enti yama yesuban papa and daddy send a beya or customer but onya bad experience onya customer service nightmares
sa no mani panebia I mean what kada say sometimes obi kura wo po na wo be hye ni nkran oba no adeso bi da ne so a wo na wo be offer service no wo na wo be oji we di say wo be yie fi so na wo so be compounded ya say ne na ankoye
yeah wa kai me me for example in twem me we fi ni din kakra ba mo ne number no na san kam free police ni bi
okay
they be am say me try article bi we are me tag Ghana police service I don't know say omo the police for no training na omo customer service training mo man omo nya mama mo nye because obi share wa pe obi bisa license na obi bisa document no na we mu na no tian un share ne da but code of ethics actually say serving so obi ba police station ye de yakwachi kronfo ye de na ba ho na de ne be tumu a sela you calm the person's nerves down obi calm it down so na de na go behind bars into tian anyway ya en fa police ni share me apen Osmali bema
I see
I think any 3 days
oh okay
Monday
okay
o share me pen Osmali ye am patriot saying and I'm saying I'm adom na we ni kire he me na no Osmali o young guy bi and I'm so me ko ejumem oh okay na pacho meet me who license in fact me the type maybe say rank as I'm the license number. But the way I got in here, no, he's been nice.
Yeah, I'm mesmerized.
Inti, I'm the man. No, a lance corporal. I'm not supposed to give my license to him. But the way I hear no smiling, not checking lines or share na me so me license in me license here and I expect me car me cheap me for trotro for taxi. To me, you're confident to give it to them. The man. Oh, okay. You and then
Roja now koe.
Oh, Papa, I'm see. Achobra. Why are dear Papa?
It is a your fit.
Yes. And I'm saying, can I mention your name on radio?
No, so today.
Yes. I'm giving your contact.
Okay.
No, the contact. But boy, didn't with him. I'm saying,
yeah.
But next week I'll mention his name.
Do because I need a
name. To me, I said,
what day?
Me born say manu. We say Ghana Police Service. Papa for wom. Ochu muta papa for wom. Many Mr. Nicholas Nam Cantamanto. And I buy you. I need to send no equipment. Odu yan champion. Yeah, so I shall call. Good afternoon, young lady.
Yeah, and I don't okay, Makai.
Yeah. And the Ghana Police Service.
Yeah.
The best IGP. So customer service training can one. Pacho. Mopa move be in can ho. My contract e ba be
Mejidi.
Yes. Mama Sompa contract e ba be.
Aye. Yes so dey. Yes Sompa papa.
All right, the third one. Yes, attention. Give customers your full attention.
Okay.
Customer we to ade. And what they no omiami an phone. But you obeko shop na small girl waka na boss na ohwe TikTok. And what to peden. Obebo ade a what na ma no. Afio the button name no the phone to a. No say we say na so peden.
Can you imagine?
What amount na man no. Na so peden. Go filling station. Na kwabra ni kita ne phone. Oni obi kasa kra che say okita pump no. O pa hin na no ni nipa na kasa. Na ebugu a o se me fa nchew. Okay.
It is here the yafi availability about attitude and attention. Okay, nti akatu. All right.
Enti you say action. And one a customer way I start here now. Resolve issues promptly. Take an action. Expedite action on what you must do to solve the customers Manenya tentem.
That's right.
Manenya tentem. The atwato appreciation.
Okay.
Sad we nkofo bebre ni mami bia okoto ade ono obia wato pencil kra no so binia nyamishira wate. Oto nso a nyamishira wate. Nti de bia me twem wo a.
Ube make sure so obe to bibi no waji nshira na ko.
Sometimes ko pe bibi atoba minim se me duru ono ma. Me kwa kofa wo. Na me nto wa me duru wa. There was a time me duru okra no ni ade ni bi. Nanso nyamishira no meje. Oh, Mr. Why next time nti appreciate them. Always thank customers for their business. Because business is bebre o. Provision shop bebre o, bank bebre o. But oyese won China. Oba. Nti we wie no adanase. Nti you see 5 A's of excellence customer service. Number 1, you see availability. Ma ho kwan ya mbetimi aba won China.
That's right.
Number 2, usuban, your attitude. Number 3, attention.
Okay.
Pay attention. Ma wasun weni enkom ho. Omo to ade ana oni omudi nkoma. And you say action. Say issue be on ma be bo abno ma solve ya. Ye intente mo sa kwan so. And you say the last one, dalmasi. Appreciation. Bomo de ne dalmasi. Enti abna. And sa basically sa 5 A's way and I say atifo.
Okay.
And shining so. And my say opese o dance dia. Opese o dance dia. And the 5 AC. Manenya wade yo.
And you're not 5 AC, yeah, be minute.
Yeah.
Now you're really, yes, she said, baby, yeah, baby, some culture was like, so I can see OT. No, see, very educative program. OT pa, buano, Keso, I see you for Casco Park, Omuton, take away packs, paper, dear, no. Who says, see, almost in free back on the home, education, I call into Siciano, Omono, dear, no, bus system, Nima, or Beba, and
Casua, Cassis, Utiemia,
Utio,
only stab na nim komo.
Aye,
for business, Brian Bone de Room. Now, Mijanya so I shall boss say, you will see a sudden change. What your Fabra, so pad like so my keke. Or the just give us a month keke nesha
sir, or the because I sit here and one EP or modern bo me use to take away now.
Nansena me read the article be on that. A good pa. Keso akese you show crying. O the Brian nim komo what bra.
Oh, beba, enti, yeah, that's Elder Jerry 1, no size. Sisiano, you're surprised that you were met here for no. Abedu, in fact, yeah, sweet mother, Abedu Fidiemu, enti, yeah, the neighbor studio, Mama and Channel. Oh, me surprise, now you're surprised, I am surprised. Reverend Amy Newman, Ewo Fidiemu, Eish. Uti di infiahini na say no me who say oye Gen Z nyo me bisa kakrakra na enti no bete mami ye ma wakwa ba Mr. Mayesha o Mike kakra mami aha na to me connect ye fonte wonka good
I'm president there was a many
wow. Not just say sweet 16 in there. Ish. If you so quite impao. Yes, I have to say, yeah, but if you say you who be and then there was a just a tidbits little once. I if you didn't walk. Simpacho Yamo Quaba.
Mamma, that's thanks for having me.
You're welcome, and we are glad that you wait your invitation now, Abba, because Mumpenny for Sadeja, ye nyamo kwa. It is ye nyamo was here squeezy be free woo. And ye bedroom come now I met here for so abemu no much out because me name say be brain na afiwe. Na make an yard bonum na on the show. Accra stay by plan. Yeah, Tiasa wouldn't Tiakra. Ain't no dynamics, no. Dynamics, no. So, but we appreciate your coming. Oh, yeah, so papa. Oh, yeah, dumo, yes, dumo. Wow. Anyway, I'm maybe with you. Yeah. Intine say, Obia ba me money ye. So pass ya ni atwa nkomo so. One pass it ya na ma ye no bye bye. Enti mpacho ubeka Sompa Delight.
Sompa Delight.
Ebusa for munko Facebook Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Na munko show ye ma mia ho ofe. Mami when you papa so njama nkora no. And also just say ahofe dressing asa nyame asem ngosra chai odini na ma ye derade ase. Mommy, you've been singing for so long. I mean, uba ni ebo nyumba ko bi na o ka say u release in year be
2004.
2004. Yeah. Wow. In fact, what started year being?
I started there 1998 and yeah, 1998.
98.
I think so. And
wow.
1990. Because sometimes what can I young couple
okay. But okay, first album then you may be a was
my first actually many Reverend Charlie Sam started.
Okay.
98, right? How many years since? I'm 19.
High keys na to
this time no. My first
interesting.
In your body no chair there, but spirit no oh yeah 33 years. Because Jesus Christ died at the age of 33, and as long as he lives in you, you can never grow. Your spirit man is still 33. So it's just the body. That's what the Holy Spirit means.
That's a revelation.
Yeah, because the energy that comes out, I wonder, ask myself, 66 years,
wow,
and I still have that energy.
Wow.
So anytime I'm praying, I feel Holy Ghost, you know that I'm 33, so give me that energy. It's something that I request for.
Okay.
I have it.
Wow.
It's either Gen Z.
Yes. Just easy. And it's showing.
Yeah.
Mommy, you were talking about the break, no? Nana Woka say.
Yeah, it was like 207. 206, 207. Meaning how it happened. Nothing. I wasn't even hearing anything. Unlike those times where you hear the angel, Holy Spirit or the angel that is singing for you or singing with you, or you hear him singing. But from that time, man singing bia, man sound bia. On I was just there.
Wow.
I was just there till 2018.
Yeah, 2018.
And I'm out to be.
Wow.
Yeah. So I stopped for 14
years. Amazing. But now you're releasing it because I recall saying, "See, Yafino, we're here."
But it was a friend on your friend. And Sinya from the song for more. I was in it. What's it? I was in a 150.
Fish ramau.
It's actually so if you throw by neighbor, you can't have it. And even if you force it on work, because sometimes I tell people that. So one for him chonu
yeah.
No one can sacrifice him chonu suya. If you would start up. It's yamin for bibia mon nepede a force. You proponents won't.
Wow, amazing. Binim say namafo bebre so 8 year and sanya ukra wo ho ni ade no na make no beja sa tidbits ni na to hands wa sanya ukra ti day exercise na day
and a best surprise me exercise I over 20 years in me
those
times in me exercise now we are very but I them penny menopausal, because sometimes you don't even feel like doing anything, even to take a dress to wear, you need to go to a place.
Okay.
Or you're very, very, very it's like in penny oh my, you may be why but say I'm exercise, then I'm exercise freak, but for 20 years now.
No, still what did you do so?
Minya edge, Even if I try, even just a walk across, try
wow.
I just prefer to be indoors.
Okay. And that's a walk how me will sit down. It's stress near less.
Because I think the game and I'm all the time maybe it's keeping me like that.
Okay.
The
Okay.
stress, oh yeah. And too much talking is a crap. No, I think that
I see.
I just.
But let me find out.
1 month na mun pay man kasa masara ho crap mun kro.
Whoa. I see. Also na downloads ne ba no receive ni ade.
Me was so wa me she me dey me come ma agents banedi. Masara ka she dey. Minyim why. The man oye bibi o ho me. There are why there. Me did we na maka she dem. I know them to me ba out. Now why they ready they be am wo dem man say. Emi say we wa me yanko. Inside the man could see the be am she dem. And when I am paying for say me find me yen dem pakro this some para but me ko one then mo so wo then ama me too much no.
Yeah, I do baby
because age we 75 years.
Wow.
And I'm 66.
Wow.
So and when them paying
yeah.
Ye dey be an opekasa. Ye dey be an hen say we are just obia one place but yet the pakro do.
Wow.
And so be say yanko dey right when na mama academy. Sometimes I feel them academy. So ready I feel caged. But I think that's how he wants it. I mean, damn, say,
yeah.
I don't America, damn you there. Say, opera moko to you man moko studio. Me studio am be shame
about them.
Me moko studio ma kaya nyum. When you say order moko for promotion, I don't have the urge to go for promotion.
Yeah, piaso, embaso,
and me impresso embaso. And say my nyum me bregu no promotion on it's this particular recent one in I don't go for mommy and you mean most in a or rock not there out my muntu out.
But some part delight
the one to I think yeah but my come some there Morocco interview yes not I will
in fact only Abena Ruthy
I would have first
releasing
me first interview ma banyu
I
me first interview ma banyu
wow
me the last time I interview mo no me odi na mo no crap no for year I think there's a release of a song but
okay
3 years in me go interview bi ada can you imagine
and yeah we are blessed to have you today
3 years in me baby for interview
me TF so very blessed to have you
and I'm so happy to have them with me listening to me.
So, I mean, you said something beautiful about you and Daddy.
Yeah.
How long have you been together?
Hey, 47 years.
Aish.
You were 79.
Whoa. My lessons kakre bibi kakre bi me brain is about
I must have a baby because remember my son catch my cousin no my catch on one kind of member
but just a woo here so baby so quite no and the hopper into your best
yeah I don't miss you any day me be a fast me shamu
okay
in the say sometimes the be my background and my backgrounds me be a very humble people maybe what is someone and see I brass them with the crowd because me kuno aristocrats that
okay
those high
class
and I'm so me a low class person sabio me use them wedding
empony
no what the share if you are to them even micro fee ni mumpo yeah some yerka even for can knife cry mun so be me da and what make at the table when I make the breakfast so me feel mean the breakfast instead as I worry cham mun hu do it's such a place what would you do?
Wow.
It's all about humility.
That's right.
And when you make me in-laws when you want
okay.
And see you know, in piano because it's like my educational background in code was very low. Me couldn't university graduate. And see what we do when I will be saying that a school I didn't even have a classmate.
Wow.
And see.
But mommy, who can even say that now? I mean, the glory, baby, what be do near what achieving near dear no. God has an interesting way.
Baby, what's about when you baby they can just make sure that they will bring you yes and so that was what happened to me when I was a child. I didn't have that encouragement or whatever it is, but God in his own mercy brought me through.
Wow.
And now I tell people that I can even speak with presidents.
Of course.
I'm telling you.
Of course.
Bring
in fact,
them.
they yearn to see you.
Yeah, bring them on. I tell people, I said, bring them on. I will talk to them.
Yeah.
Like somebody who has been in the
university. Say, oh, you're professor emeritus.
Yeah, professor
amazing.
in English. Yes. It's
God.
just the hand of God.
And common way, I was see a debut. I was see a debut. I mean, I pass a young no. Asan is oh my God.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, shirt here for bo.
Yeah.
So we besayaba.
Besayaba,
now
yeah.
But eno de na full time. Ya ne wedding komo na ebiebie mu nyina Emmanuel and our release.
Yeah.
What's the story behind Emmanuel?
Actually, Emmanuel, oh yeah, nye bia na able to abonizi na cancer. Me call baby.
5. Na Becca bibi share ye mami. Your best sign wedding come because in community be there's a lot. There's a lot in tea. Yenya ba kwa wa be mu na yemfa no na onka bibi show me nim set here for Africa. Hello. Hello, yema wa kwa ba.
Auntie Abena.
Yes, Papa.
Auntie Agosia, I go with you.
Oh, Auntie Agosia.
Oh, how we Papa, saying, and you may oh, I mean, Mama, Papa. Oh, mother, I think see what you oh, Mama. What why are you? Yes, you know what? You never that's a million and I'm married. Oh, friend me after what say, master. Dining German Jesus. And one many better be marrying you. Yamin
Amen. I tell us your own shell. So, Mama Bessan baby, Mama Bessan baby. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Just one day, good afternoon, let's say. Adum. Tell na your time na sir.
And then for me me mama about you. For me mama you know a very simple so bit me aso. Or to you now you simple. If you see me ya bit me aso. Na ifa nyankopon onko to nhira no fa o na wodi na bom de fa. Na de bia on fa enyum no edinbre.
Amen.
Na tell ya o to broko nyum o twi no na wadane no ko broko no ya na oye extraordinary with person Emmanuel.
That's right. That's right. Amen. Just one day, Yamin shall see ye that say. Enti 2 year me fane no na mama besa baby. Mama besa baby. Minti mami we find out words na. Yes, sorry.
Ma somfa da makan de me de tie fu nyina ase. Na me da so me ka che sompa na da me da ho na ase first because someone that want to suffer me. Yes, and that's my yankopon for giving us this opportunity, right? And sompa me da ho na ase all the executives and every worker in here we do be ase because of the reception minye. And me peda me ka de woman yansum nyame. Mama yansum nyame you send dey say yasum nyame ni yesure na. Bibia anyi ho it's like Uncle Yamahan. Because I mean, my life, you know, it's all about God. That is what me couldn't cry upon my one card. They be able to come say, "Oh, you them and you we show mu. Na mus friend ya miss my friend ya me apremusa. When the treatment I was going through as a child, and I can even remember 6 years I koyeka na me film. And that time na my friend ya me. And na musre ya me mo dan ya me. And this is how God. It's only me. That is all that I can say.
So pass to the market ya pa. Mami nyame show. Yeah, that's the papa. You be sign edin komo biom. You be sign edin komo biom nti nyame show. Etie for ha na ye di dwumadi ni be sin na ye da mo ase papa. Me da me entire crew ase obia ya de. Mami nyame show papa. Enti momi entwen. Momi entwen Professor Abuchi na audit Sompa for God and country every year.